In this video, I'll walk you through how to create budgets in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so you can plan income and expenses with clearer financial visibility and fewer surprises later. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right and opening the budgeting section, which works as the central hub for building or importing budget plans. Choose Create Budget and first decide between a profit and loss budget for tracking revenue and expenses, or a balance sheet budget if you want to forecast assets and liabilities, since this choice shapes how your financial goals are measured. Next, select the fiscal period and whether you want monthly or quarterly breakdowns. Then choose Consolidated for a single company view or Subdivided if you manage multiple classes or locations. Enter realistic figures for each account and adjust over time rather than aiming for perfect numbers immediately, as consistent updates usually produce more reliable planning insights. Subscribe for easy tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.